Yeah. I can't believe I'm back here talking about this again. How long will it take you to learn? Do you not realize that? Oh, let me put my glasses.
La 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 la. I got my money right now. We ain't kept me doing nothing right now.
When will you realize that all of this you're doing is all your fault? It's nobody else's fault but yours. I understand you get mad for a quick second, but bro, it's been what? How many days, how many weeks, how many months? You're still on the same thing. You haven't learned one thing, nothing at all. You're talking about it's up. Something is up. What is up? What amberrose was talking about? Huh? Amberrose said this is what your favorite thing to do when you're in the bedroom. That's what's up. What did anybody do to you? But you did to yourself. I can't believe I gotta make another video yet again with this hoodie on to remind you of your billions that you're playing around with. And you don't realize it's not even your billions. You right now messing your kids' future. Thank God Kim Kardashian got them. Thank God they got a good mother. But you, oh, yeah. Cool your blood, no, man. Keep it cool, man. Try. Just try. Keep it cool.
Keep it gangsta, dog. Keep it gangsta. 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 I wanna thank you.
You went to Haiti. You never knew nothing. I'm gonna repeat it again. If you realize you've been acting a fool ever since you came back from Haiti. What happened down there? Then you want to talk about, see, that's what I was saying. You want to use race for your advantage. You don't really give up. Wait. So anyway, you just realized you was black? Like after you said all them shits, you realize you black now? You just realized that? Why? What happened? You thought you was a special black guy? I don't get it. And it's not even about black. Whoever you be, whatever race, saying something like this. Are you kidding me? Talking about sacrifice. Yeah, Lil Wayne said it best. I'm gonna put that lyric for you. I think he was talking to you way back when, because you was, oh, yeah. You was a pete, man. You went to Haiti and learned on a wedding career, right? On pete sans ou y'a, man.
Love you guys. Love you guys.
Mami, tout an m'a prié pour bam yon krasé ou pas occupé, non. Chérie, tout an m'a prié pour bam yon krasé, rien pas arrivé. Allô Magali,
on y est crassé,
Magali,
maman y est crassé.
Allô Magali.